Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Zelle's autopay feature. Let's get straight into it. The first step is to open the Zelle app on your mobile device, and then you want to tap the payments tab to view your recent transactions. Next, you want to find the recipients that you want to set up autopay for, and then tap on their name. And next, you want to tap the autopay button to initiate the autopay setup process. Next up is to set up autopay details. So you can enter the autopay details, including the payment amount, frequency, the start date, as well as the end dates. Next up, you want to review the autopay details and confirm the setup. And then you want to manage your autopay settings, including you can edit autopay details, you can cancel autopay, as well as view autopay history. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Zelle's autopay feature. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.